Hi happy bees, it's Amanda, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a hungry caterpillar cake topper. You're going to start out with a ball of modelling paste, and I've coloured it a light green colour, and I've put links in the description below for everything that I'm using to create this. Use the palm of your hand to roll that into a thick sausage shape. Shape it into kind of like an N shape. And use your finger to create a nice little bend in the centre. Stand your caterpillar up and gently push it down on your surface. And create some indentations using a knife. And to make it look a little bit more realistic, you can take your knife and go through the top and the bottom of each join and create a little gap. You're going to go in with some edible dust now and add some colour and texture to your caterpillar. And now's a good time to insert some cocktail sticks for support. Using an oval piece of red fondant, now we're going to create the head. Use your finger to create an indentation in the centre, and use a cake decorating tool to create some eye sockets. The eye sockets are going to be in a teardrop shape. Fill the eye sockets in with some yellow fondant. And create some pupils using some green fondant. I'm going to use those edible dusts again now, and we're going to use the darker dust on the outside of the pupil and the lighter dust on the inside, and paint a trim around the edges. Create a nose for your caterpillar using a tiny oval piece of brown fondant. I'm going to create some ears using some purple fondant. We're going to shape those into like a long teardrop shape. And if you need a little extra help creating this caterpillar, I've put together some PDF templates for you. You'll find a link to the templates in the description below. I'm going to use some wire to secure the ears onto your caterpillar. Click this video on your screen now if you want to learn how to create more bug and animal themed cakes and toppers, and I'll see you over there.